guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I will discuss about converting AutoCAD text to surface. And to do that, let's open file here, which is, we already have text here. It's a text, not mtext, because if you can't convert mtext to surface, so you should explode that mtext to become text. We already have text here. This is AutoCAD text. And then at first, we have to create, let's delete this first. We have to create surface. Under Prospector tab, surface, right click, create surface. Let's say sample, the surface name. Okay, so since we already have a surface name here, what we have to do next is, on menu bar, under modify, just look at the cursor, click surface, and then select your text. Under surface tools, move text to elevation, and then we include this one, move text to elevation. And then the next one, let's go to modify surface, add data, drawing objects, and then under here, let's scroll down here and let's choose text. Description, okay, let's say sample. Okay, and then select your text, and then we already have a surface from AutoCAD text. For you to be able to see that, let's edit here, display, let's be visible this. Okay, and then the contour interval. Okay, so this is our surface from text object. Let's say object viewer, let's check it. It's here. This is our surface. I think the elevation is and then the next one is how to create surface from line. How to create surface from line? Just let's say, for example, only let's create a line here. And then same procedure, modify surface, and then add data, drawing object, and then let's choose line, and then select it. So this is our new surface. And for converting points, AutoCAD points to surface, let's copy some points from AutoCAD and then paste it to our file, Excel, Civil 3D. So we already have points here, and then we will convert it to surface. We will add it to surface. It's the same procedure also. Modify surface, add data. All you have to do is to add data and then choose points. Okay, and then select the points. So now this is our surface. Creating surface directly from AutoCAD points, text, and lines. So let's check the object viewer. So So we have surface now. Okay, and I will add here, I will teach you also how to export surface into points, because we don't have Kogo points here. We only have points, but we only have a surface, but we don't have Kogo points. So from surface, we will create Kogo points, and to do that, let's go to Prospector tab, and then edit surface style. Let's do this first. Under Prospector tab, sample surface properties. Let's check. Let's choose the exporting, creating Kogo points from surface. Let's go to Prospector tab, sample, under surface, edit surface style. Let's show only the triangle and the points here. Apply. Okay, so triangle and points, this one, the red one, is the surface points, and then we will make it Kogo points. To make that Kogo points, let's go to under Prospector tab, points, create, and then point creation. This prompt for elevation should be automatic. Points description, automatic. Change it to automatic, and then okay. And then from here, convert AutoCAD points. And then from here, scroll down, convert AutoCAD points, and then select. Yeah, it happened this one. You have to enter the keyboard to create AutoCAD points, because our settings is not automatic. So we have to change the settings. Create points. Point creation should be automatic. And then convert AutoCAD points. Enter. I will repeat it. So this is a surface point, and we will make it Kogo points. So under Prospector tab, points, create. Point creation should be automatic. Okay. And then under here, convert AutoCAD points. Let's move it. And then this is our Kogo points now. Here, Kogo points. And then let's show only the text, the points. Let's say we group this point. New group. And then let's say sample. Okay. And then sample under points, properties, and then include selection set in drawing. Just click this one and then select all. Apply. Okay. So now from surface to CogoPoints, we have now CogoPoints. Now let's turn off the surface. Only points, we need to show only points. So for example, we need only this one, the CogoPoints. And then we want to convert it to Excel file. And to do that, let's select all points. Let's unselect this. Select all points, CogoPoints, and then export points, PNZD, delimited, destination folder, let's say in desktop, or file name 1. Okay, destination folder, let's create a new folder here. Okay, export points, folder location, destination folder. Okay, and then okay. Now let's go to the folder desktop. Now it's converted in. The coordinates and the level of your CogoPoints is already in the Excel file. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.